Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can share a Google Sheets file as editable. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application, and first thing first, we can select a Google Sheets file we want to share as editable, and I'm gonna go with this a file. We can click on these three dots on the file, and we have to select manage access. And just wait for a moment. Okay, as you can see that the access is still restricted, so only people edit can open with the link. And we're going to change the access. Click on change, and here you can click on restricted and click on anyone with the link, and here you have to select editor. In this section, click on it and you can select editor, so anyone with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. Or if you want to share this Google Sheets file as editable only for some accounts, you can click on this icon. Then you can add people or groups right here so they can edit your Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's how we can share Google Sheets file as editable. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.